If you are seeing my screen, please a thumbs up. Oh. If you can see my screen, thumbs up, please. Alright, thank you very much. So let me proceed. Those that are not here, they should join us now. Let me just drop a message. So moving on to the next one, which is the coin versus token. Now, when we talk about coins, it's like coins have their own blockchain. Now look at token. Token are built on existing blockchain. Now let me explain this thing. An example of a coin, you know, is Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have Solana. Example of what's it called? A token is USDT, Uniswap, Pepe. Let me explain so that we can understand better. How many of us is familiar with what's it called? Hamster Convert last year. If you remember Hamster Convert, tap tap tap. If you remember Tap Swap. Can we hear me? Hello, can we hear me? Hello. Can we hear me at all like this? Mr. Praise, Mr. Dave, can you hear me? Hello.